Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum, my friends. Uh, Today I'm gonna make pakora, and some people they say it's onion bhaji, but it's actually it's pakoray. So I'm gonna make a pakoray. Will be very nice pakoray, and things I'm gonna put in there you will like it as well. So it will be different, and will be very nice. You're gonna enjoy it. And before I start making, I will tell you my ingredient, what I'm gonna put in there. And if you miss, you can check it out. It's the end of the video. So shall we start now? Okay guys, ingredient I'm using in there. I have gram flour, got baby spinach, already been cut it small, and I got potato, and I make it very thin. I got onion, very small pieces. I got crushed red chili here, and this crushed coriander, cumin powder, and I got this red pepper, made a small piece, square pieces, small. Salt. I got chaat masala. I got red chili here. I got some yogurt here, and I got baking powder here, and I'm gonna use some water. I'm gonna start mixing this, okay? First thing, I'm gonna put salt in there, and I'm putting about 1 teaspoon, okay? I got 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 spoon red chili. It depends. If you eat hot food, you can put this, and if you eat not spicy, the mild, so just put a half. Yeah. Crush coriander, 2 spoons, cumin powder, 1.5 spoon, and this crushed chili, just 1 spoon. Got this baking powder, just a quarter spoon I'm putting in there. And I got yogurt. These are 3, it's all in there, 3 teaspoons. Okay guys, now I'm gonna put onion, I made a cut is about 1 onion, so it's a bit left in there. So, and in the end when I mix it, I'm gonna see if I can put more in there, so then I'll put more. Okay. And I got some, I'm gonna put this potato. Guys, it's a baby spinach. And then I'm gonna mix this. I'm gonna put a little bit more water in there. Okay guys, so, oh, I'm sorry, forgot to put this red chili. Oh, sorry, red pepper. And red pepper, it will give you a very nice taste. Some people they put green chili in there, but I prefer a pepper. You can put green pepper or red pepper. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna leave this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, I will come back to you. Okay guys, I put oil in there, so it's nearly ready. I have to check. No, it's not ready yet. It's a easy way to checking is ready. When it's ready, you just put baby spinach. And so idea is you're gonna heat up oil proper, give proper heat, right? And when you put your pakora in there to cook, and then you put your heat for medium. Otherwise what's gonna happen that your pakora, it will burn from outside and will be left raw inside. So if you keep it on medium, then you will cook slowly inside as well and outside as well. Okay guys, our oil is ready, so I'm gonna just put on medium. Okay guys, now put on low heat. I'm just trying to separate. Guys, and now I'm gonna leave it for cooked for a few minutes. Okay guys, this is nearly cooked, so just keep turning over on one side and other side. Yeah. When it get a brown color, then it's when it's cooked. Okay guys, this is cooked now. So you needed this color, yeah. Okay guys, this is ready. Okay guys, this is ready, yeah. So I'm gonna put some more in there. I put a heat with higher. So and you can put with this big spoon if you think you're gonna burn your hand, so you can use a spoon. But I find easy for me to use hand. Okay guys, this is all in. Okay guys, I'll show you. Can you see it already? It's looks so nice. So you just need to keep turning. So you cook both sides. Turn it low, my heat. Look you guys, beautiful. And I'm telling you, its taste will be very nice. Okay guys, this is nearly done as well. See, it's become brown. So it means it's like this, you know. This means it's ready. I'm gonna take this out now. Okay guys, can see this how it's been done, alright? And I'm gonna take it on a dish so you can see how you can serve. Okay guys? Okay guys, this is my pakora dish ready, and really it's very delicious, and you should make this as well. And if you like it, please let me know in comment section so what you think about it. Okay guys, thank you very much. So friend, I hope you like this recipe, and you will get this different recipe every week. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel, and please press the bell button. And if you got any questions, please ask me any questions, so I will be happy to answer you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, just type the question in comment, so I will be happy to give you answer. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.